Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone M2. Today I'll show you how to manage Google Pay account. Firstly, open Google app. Then click the button in the right corner and manage your Google account. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, and here we've got some options. For example, we can manage our reservations, subscriptions, and purchases. Also, we can manage our experience. If we turn this option on, we can track our activity. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.